All rise. Oh, Jesus, that's louder than I thought it was. There we go. That's much better. Where is it? Oh, hell. Why did I not set this up yet? There he is. Woohoo! Yes, we're live. Oh, it's good to be streaming. Alrighty, let me get... Game Maker, why are you not open? Why is this not open on my computer? That makes no sense. Okay. Let's get this up and running. Oh, where did I last leave off? What was I doing yesterday? That's right. I remember now. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna get this pulled up on stream now. I'm just gonna make sure everything is properly up, which it is not. There we go. Make that a little bigger, just a bit. Ugh, I don't want it to snap to the fucking screen. Stop it! Oh my god. Oh, you've got to be kidding me with this. This is ridiculous. Okay. Transform. Center to screen. Move that up. And there we go. I want it to be a little bit bigger. Here, I'll just put this on screen so you guys can see what I'm doing. Oh my god, can this stupid transform tool keep snapping it to the edge of the screen? And I would really prefer if it didn't do that. To be honest, I think that would be greatly preferable. And shabam! There we go. Alrighty, let's see where we left off. I'm just gonna run this real quick. Get a bit of a gander. As I recall, we were working on dialogue. Yes, and we got this working functionally. My goal for this stream is to get, Jesus, what am I saying? Is to get a dialogue portrait function. So let's see if we can figure this out real fast. Text box. Guess I don't specifically need heights and width variables, but whatever. I could probably change that later and just have it set to be a consistent thing. But I like having the freedom of making a box whatever I want. But what I want right now is to add another thing. Parameter. Text box. And then here we're speaker equals 0, and then should I have the functions of this in an array, or should I make this its own thing? Well, let's do this first idea. Yeah. Well, first I need the object for new text boxes. Create object. OBJ dialogue portrait add create event. Boy, I'm a lot of these streams are probably just gonna be me like brainstorming and trying to figure out how I want to do this, which, you know, it's just how coding works, I guess. But Should I set it? Should I make this an array or should I do it here? I'm worried I might have to make the text variable a struct so that I can contain two sets of data in the same thing. How would this work? I have no idea what I'm doing. I am not entirely sure how this is gonna work, but we'll make it happen. We'll make it happen. Face. How do the dots work? I forgot how that's supposed to work. I'm sure I have something here. Dot alarm. Text page. Instance create layer. Oh boy. Could let's make speaker. If we do an array, could this work? Face 0 equals 1 equals, well, I want to set a variable to have certain states. Oh, wait, I could just switch it between the different... Could I just switch the sprites from another object? Sprites, make a new folder. Create... Oh, create group. I forgot they call them groups. Portraits. Create script. No. No. That is not what I wanted, actually. Okay, we're gonna do create sprite. Rocks normal. Oh wait, no, we'll do test t normal. Sure. Edit image. This is my favorite character, guys. When you guys are like, oh, I love Age of the Imagine, this is my favorite character. The fuck? I have no idea how the image editor works on this thing. I can't even tell a flute. There we go. Set sprite. Object set sprite. Okay. So we could literally just control expression equals expression equals normal. No, expression equals 0. Sure. Okay. Oh boy. I think I'm overcomplicating this, actually. Let's see here. How could I do this? I want there to be like a system where it automatically recognizes which character is talking and assigns a sprite based on it. How could I do this? Expression equals 0. I could just make this like a normal variable, right? Oh, god damn it. Whoa, what? Wait, who told you to stop? Who told you to be normal variables? No, no, no. Oh, I guess I can't do that.
I couldn't do it, methinks. Didn't seem like it.
Okay, so how do I make a thing where... Text of page? I don't understand how this works at all. Oh, right, because the text is an array value. I'm very smart. I understand. Expression equals 0. So let's set. Let's create. Oh wait. Here we'll do expression 0 equals expression 1 normal happy. And then, oh, right. Sure. I guess I don't really need to do that, apparently. I guess I'll have to do this first. Why don't I just take these and put them up here? That'll work. Surely. Surely. Now, what we can do is do this set... wait, what? Okay. Didn't mean to do... Oh my god, could you imagine we delete all the code that I just did? Oh, I have no idea what any of those mean. Set sprite. Object set sprite. IND. What does this do? I'm gonna read up on this real quick. Object set sprite. With this function, you can set the sprite index of a specific object. This means that all instances of this object that are created after the sprite index has been changed... What? All instances of this object that are created after the sprite index has been changed will be created with this new sprite index, while instances that are already in the room may not be affected. Okay. Please note that this is not an instance function. You can set the sprite index of individual instances using the sprite index variable, and so have 10 instances all with a different sprite to the object they're created from. Well, that I don't really need to do that because I'm just using the one object for right now. Okay. This seems simple enough. Object set sprite, obj, dialogue portrait. Oh wait, I guess I should probably make two sprites. Sprite T happy. Edit image. Sure, why not? That'll work. Yeah, that works. Gorgeous. Hmm. Dialogue portrait. Oh, I'm not typing. Why? Object dialogue portrait. Oh, hi Hank. There's a dog in my room now. He has just appeared next to me. Hi, sweetie. Hello. Can I help you? You sit. Can you sit? Hi, sweetie. There's a dog in my room now. Hey, what are you doing? Oh. Oh. I'm doing this wrong. I see. I have to... Oh god, this is really gonna take me some brainstorming to figure this one out. How do I store information about who's speaking and what portrait they should use? Hey, no. None of that. Hanky. He's got a bone, and he's gonna be gnawing on it, and it's gonna interrupt the stream. Hank! Stop it! Get out! Out! Out, I tell yous. Come on, out. Shoot. Get! Go! Boy. I'm streaming! I'm trying to stream! I can't deal with dogs right now. I don't know how I would do this. I'd have to create an entire separate function or something. I'm wondering, could I just use alarms? Would that make things simpler? It probably would. Yeah, let's scrap this. This is probably just gonna be simpler anyway. What we could do is make like program something in here that's like where's my, how do I do it? Do I need instance create? Yeah, because NPC test instance create layer, so instance create layer. Fuck. We'll just do 0, 0, text. Text, object, obj, oh wait, do I need this? I think so. Obj, dialogue portrait. Able to struct. I don't remember how that works, so I think we can just do this and it'll be fine. So, will that work if we do this? Doesn't look like it. I'm not seeing a creation of the object anywhere. Oh wait, that's right. It goes to like the corner. I forgot it's not the center like Scratch. No, it's not there either. Edit image. Can I change? Hold on. Where's my object? Oh, here it is. Text boxes, sprites, portraits. Sure. No. Collision mask. Can I? How the fuck do you change? Oh god, I've forgotten everything. I need to start doing this daily so that I can stop. Because I do shit for a bit with the game, and then I stop, and then I just forget. So I've got to remember how this works. Now my hair's all itchy. How do I edit this? I want to edit the fucking collision mask, or how I don't know. How do I edit the collision mask? Edit sprite, edit image, new sprite. Fuck. Edit mask. Here we go. This is what I wanted. Put it there. Yeah. Oh, it's on the fucking... Of course it's on the sprite edit. Shit. Okay, so now if we run this... There it is. So it is getting created, just the X offset is dumb. 200. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. 200. Yeah, there he is. He's right there. It's just, he's being created below the fucking text box. Ugh. Am I gonna have to make a new layer just for dialogue portraits? That seems inefficient. It'll be fine. No, that's not gonna work. Instance create layer. Oh, because it's doing this afterwards. So if I take this and do it first, will it show up above? Maybe? No, of course not. Why did I think that would work? Could I set depth? How to change object depth game maker studio. Setting instance depth to -10. Okay. Set depth. Oh, wait, I could just... I'll do it in the create. Depth equals -10. Depth equals -10. I think that's how this works. I could be wrong. Of course. Like with most things. No, I was correct. Look at that. Ain't I a genius? Ye of little faith. You all thought I couldn't do it. You all thought I could not do it. But here I am, working a simple thing with a process that's probably 10 times less efficient. But we don't talk about that. Also, chat would probably be in the way of that, so I'm just going to move that over there. That's fine for now. Okay. So now... That's fine. That's all well and good. But how could I create... I forget what the difference between structs... struct game maker studio. A struct is a variable that holds a collection of other variables. The variables that a struct holds can be of any data type previously mentioned, and these variables can be read from and written to after the initial struct declaration, and you can also add more variables to a struct after it has been declared. Variables used in a struct should follow the usual variable naming scheme, i.e. they cannot start with a number, and should only be made up of alphanumeric characters and the underscore character. Okay. Could we use this to contain dialogue portrait information? Or should I just use various objects with sprites? I guess I could just have, like... I could just have one portrait, have a bunch of different frames, and just set it to a specific frame. But do I want that for all the dialogue portraits? Do I need a single sprite to contain that and load it in every time? I don't know if I want to do that. Oh, okay, you know what we could do? Here's what we could do. We could make, here, I'm going to edit this image. Copy. That's not what I meant to do. Oh boy. Oh boy. Why am I drawing with it now? Okay. Why is this? Why can you do this? Why can you just make a brush out of something? Alright. Sure, why not? Anyway, as I was saying, could I... Oh boy. Copy. No, I don't... Okay, well, for some reason, I can't just take this and copy it. I guess I could... Here. T-normal. We'll go to T-happy. Edit image. Copy. We will delete him. Yeah, delete. T-normal. We'll add a frame. Put him there. Now we have a single sprite file storing 2 frames. We'll change this guy's name to test. Oh, no. Yeah, that's fine. I should probably call it portrait. Test. That's better. Anyway. Okay, so now that we've done that, so these are 2 expressions. But if I want to make them talking, then how is that gonna work? Could I loop it into a certain thing? I don't know if this is how I want to do it. I'm trying to figure out how to do a portrait for multiple characters at once. So I can like go back and forth between them. I'm just wondering, is it possible to loop frames between specific ones if you want to play an anime? Surely it is. It has to be. But I'm going to set this to 0 frames per second because I don't want that immediately. So we'll make another test. Create sprite. Port test to image. We'll do like an angry guy. Yeah. And then obviously we got to give him another one just for the sake of testing. So on model. Sure, that'll work. So we've got these two tests, each with their own individual frames, and I'm wondering if there would be a way to have this in between lines of dialogue switch depending on what I want it to be. How could I change the way what thing happens when? How would I be able to have the code recognize when a change in dialogue needs to occur? Could I set up different structs? But do I want a bunch of structs in the dialogue option? I don't know if I want every line of dialogue to be loaded in whenever a text box needs to be in. Could I just have a bunch of structs in the background and then just call which one I need for a specific scenario? Could I like have some kind of other script set up? Because I don't really want to create a bunch of lines. Who's pinging me? Oh, it's just a random server. Let's figure this out. I'm gonna try it. We're gonna try it. Create script dialogue. Structs. Oh wait. SCR dialogue. I want a function. Is this smart? I don't know if this is me being really smart or me being really dumb. We're gonna try it. We're gonna try it anyway. Okay. So I'm gonna try to have a bunch of these things with like a bunch of different arrays. Ugh. I don't know how this is gonna work, but we're gonna make it work. Text NPC is this. Oh wait, how do I? Oh right, I have to. Hold on, equals, and then text 0 text. Honestly, I could just copy paste it. What am I doing? Bring you over here. You come over here. So we do that. Then we do this. That's not right. Oh, shit. That's not gonna work either. Shit! Okay, new plan. New plan. This is fine. This is fine. We're gonna do... We're not gonna do this. We're just gonna delete this, because that's not gonna work the way I thought it was going to. I don't know if this is really dumb, or if if this is gonna create like a data leak or something. I don't know if that's even the right term, but what if test? No, where is it? Draw. Hello there. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, no, that would just create... Oh, fuck! That's not gonna work either. Because it needs to be... I need to have the page system up. Oh, shit. Hold on, I gotta fix that. Text. Yeah, because there needs to be a system that, pulls... Hello there. Text. 1. You're not from around here. Huh. Alright, I'm just gonna make sure this still works, because the last thing I want is to have royally fucked this. Yeah, I don't know how to do a I don't know how to do portraits. This is a lot more what happened to the portraits I had? Hey, why did you stop? Why did you stop? Did I delete instance create object dialogue portraits? Why did that stop? Oh, because it doesn't have a fucking sprite attached to it. That's why. Overworld, Xboxes, sprites, portraits. This one. This should work. Yeah, I want to have the portrait change depending on what line is being spoken, but I'm not sure how I would do that. I'm not sure how I could do that depending on what line of dialogue is being said. Yes, I'm still watching. Stop pausing. Jesus. Oh, hey, everybody. Hey, guys. What's going on? Things could be going a bit better, I would say. I'm struggling to figure out how to do this system because I can't set this value. How would I set a value depending and have it vary between what is necessary? Because right now this is just an array, and I can't make several structs. It needs to be able to sense what line is being said, while also... Because having something that's set up for the entirety of the game seems... Well... I struct. Because right now the only reason the text is changing is because it has an array. So could I set... If I set the frames equal to the array, then that doesn't account for when the expression needs to be different. Ugh. I'm definitely making this too complicated, but I don't know what else to do. Here, let me try and see if there's a tutorial or something. How to make text box dialogue portraits game maker Studio 2. Let's see what this guy does. So, back to dialogue system. So we're going to be adding portraits to names for who's currently speaking. More assets. Okay, portrait sprites, yep, I did that. Okay, so this guy does separate sprites. Not what I'm doing, where... Oh wait, no, he is doing that. Oh no, he needs that for the animation. Alright, so I'll probably do that instead. Yeah, okay. Create event. Oh my god! Oh no! Jesus! Yeah, okay, I already did most of this. Start by adding some portrait variables. It's a stone, Connor. Hi, Pork. I'm fucking rotting over here. I cannot figure this out to save my life. speaker X, speaker Y, speaker font, speaker color. Okay, I can figure that out. Tylenol is just as good as medicine. In general, I've been feeling sick. Yeah, man. What's wrong? I can't seem to figure out how to make dialogue portraits work. And I may have been stupid in the way I was trying to do it earlier, but I'm following a tutorial. I'm gonna see how this guy does it, because I can't figure out how to make the portrait sync up to the array, but also have it variable, because if I just have the portrait change from like happy to sad every time, it may not fit the context of the emotion. So actions. Oh god, the sprite of the portrait. Yeah, I really need to rethink this system off stream because I've really overcomplicated this. I really don't need to be setting these variables all the time. Are you trying to get Undertale style text portrait where they're in a text box or something yet? No, I'm trying to do like a Hades style thing where they're outside. But I do want to do something where like the expression changes depending on what line of dialogue is being said. I just don't know how to do that. I think I'm making this like way more complicated than it needs to be. I may have to rethink this entire system. Fuck, yeah, I'm gonna have to rethink this off stream or something, because this is... But this can come later. Need a variable that tracks which side of the text box the portrait is on. So we want to be able to put our portrait on the left side of or the right side of the text box. I'm going to use an enumerator. What the fuck is an enumerator? What? If you don't know what an enumerator is, it's basically a custom defined value. So we've created... Oh god. Oh no. Oh dear. Okay. This might help. Oh god, this is all so confusing. I may have to do this off stream because like this is a lot. Okay, well, first things first, we need to rethink this because I don't need to be setting the X and Y of the box every single time, because the text box is going to be in the same place pretty much all the time. Coding in junk is always complicated. It's never easy, but I'm sure you'll figure it out eventually. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Hey, I'm the tax man. Why no stream Wednesday or Thursday? Because, long story short, some scheduling conflicts came up. I had work, and I just had to take care of some shit that came up last minute. So sorry about no game night. I also just haven't had the time to sit down and catch back up in the Pokemon save. I've really been spread thin recently, so I just and that's kind of why the devlogs haven't been coming out either. It's just because I'm spread so fucking thin and I haven't had time to work on the game a whole lot. And so I'd be embarrassed to put out a devlog saying basically like, hey guys, I know it's been like 6 months since the last devlog, but I don't really have anything to show because I've been super fucking busy. And working on this game is kind of exhausting. It's definitely a more of a massive undertaking than I anticipated. Because I don't know how to do music, I don't know how to do coding. So learning all this shit, like live, is especially a little a little frustrating because like it's live and I'm trying to figure shit out like live on stream. So this dev streams probably aren't the best idea. Well, maybe for like coding stuff. Like for drawing things I could probably do dev streams, but you know. Because people have these things called lives. Yeah, I guess. And I'm just sort of having to split my time a lot lately. But a lot of this shit, I'm probably going to stop doing coding stuff on stream and do some more art-related things because that I'm more confident with and will play for a stream better. But I don't know. But right now, I need to rethink this because this is not working out the way I thought it would be. So, yeah. Draw sprite stretched. Camera get view X plus 100. Sprite menu. What is this? What is SPR menu? Oh, that's the sprite that we need for the text box. So you're not Mr. Coding Epic Man, but more Drawing Man? Yeah, for sure. The part of this, the game development. Oh, well, I just broke whatever that. Just broke that rubber band I was fidgeting with. The part of game design that I'm most familiar with is like the aesthetics and sprites. Like that I think I'm the most confident with. All this other shit is like super. Like, I have to make sound effects. I don't know how to do that shit. Like, this is just going to be a huge learning curve for me. And the game is probably not going to be coming out for a very long time. So, that's... I haven't even started the battle system yet. And I think that's what's really embarrassing is just, like, I have all these lofty goals, and I know I can do it. It's just going to take me a while, and it's not really something I can stream, I'm learning. You know what'll make you feel better and will probably make programming a little more bearable? Make a punt Oliver button and have Roxanne kick Oliver and make him explode. Dude, I don't know why literally everyone I've shown the characters to, they all want to beat the shit out of Oliver so fucking bad. They all want him dead. It's like kind of crazy how much like people want to destroy him. I'm a little scared to like publish this to the masses because people absolutely want to throttle him by the neck. It's like, it's kind of fucking crazy. Is story like a close second? Yeah, like, I've been actually, while I've been in college and like in university, I've been taking some like creative writing classes, so I could do like writing and shit as well. I've actually been planning out more of the story, and I think I definitely have the most refined version of the plot ever, which is super exciting and really cool. And, like, I know what I want the story to be about. It's just, like, there are so many boring problems that come up halfway through that have no real easy answer. It's like, there was a situation a couple weeks back that completely stopped me from tackling just because it was such an annoying problem. The laws and rules of the powers and abilities that I wanted to give the characters didn't gel well with the mechanics of the game that I wanted. And I had to figure out a way to sort of combine them and bring them together seamlessly, which is such a stupid problem and one that didn't really have a direct answer at the time. And so, I mean, thankfully I figured out something that I think is going to work pretty well. But, like, that was something that stumped me for, like, weeks, and I was just stuck on it until I reached out to a friend and explained the problem. And we sat down and worked through it. But it's just shit like that keeps coming up, and I wish I could just get in here and, like, fix it. But and, like, right now, I'm like, fuck, I have to figure out how to make a dialogue portrait sync up with a text array. It's just shit like that keeps coming up, and it's just, like, hurdle after hurdle, and nothing really flows well. And it's just so many annoying little problems that I wish had better solutions to them. But that's why this shit takes a long time. It's just because, like, game development is such an arduous fucking problem. But hey, I mean, it's just got to get done. And I just got to sort of lock in and do it. I wanted to make a meme of the little Oliver thing. I want to have him sitting. But babe, please stop. Just chilling, listening to the distress video. I'm not really sure what you're saying, but sure, man, go for it. I'll do box one, because I won't really need to change how big the boxes are, like, ever. Box width. It's just straight up 200. God, why was I doing it this way? Box height. 60. I don't even need to create like a custom variable. Oh, wait. Oh, I do. Box properties. Box x equals give view plus 100 box y get view plus 200. Right now I'm just rethinking the way this works so that I can streamline the creation of the text boxes. You can't, your phone storage is gone. RIP. Box width equals 200 box h, no, not plus h, box h equals 60, text equals debug text. So now we can just straight up get rid of this function because, like, I just don't need it. I don't know why I was trying to set up a fucking weird thing. I don't know. I was being stupid about the thing before. I do not need this. Create dialogue portrait. So yeah, that'll draw the box. And then we can set these things to the variables we just made. Box X. Box Y. Plus box width. Box height. Oh, wait, what? Wait, I fucked up. Sprite menu, subimage 1, X. Yeah, okay, so that's X. Box X. Y. Box Y. Make Oliver the final boss to get revenge on everyone who wants to kick the shit out of him. Yeah, are you coding, son? Yeah, pretty much. What is your more favorite kind of stream? Minecraft game night, game coding, or making art? To be honest, I like the game night streams because it's just like me hanging out with my friends and then chat also at the same time. I have a lot of fun doing those, and I feel like people want to see those a lot. Art streams are also fun because, quite frankly, unlike the dev streams, people actually want to watch those. Editing streams were also super fun, so I might go back to doing those as well. Minecraft Mondays is cool, but I feel like it's getting a little bit too repetitive for me. I like Minecraft a lot. I just feel like I've gotten out of the phase that I had a little bit. I'm gonna keep doing it for a while, but I definitely think I should probably end that soon. Do something else for Mondays. But yeah, no, I like streaming, but like every streamer, I just wish I had a little bit more of an outreach, because, like, unfortunately, the only thing people want to see on my channel is Undertale content, which, like, I do still want to do stuff with, but I don't know, man. I only have so much time in the day, and there's only so much time I can dedicate to Undertale content anymore. I guess. I mean, I still want to do it, I just don't really have time, if that makes sense. I don't know. Maybe at some point, but right now I've got a game to make. Because I need to get a devlog out soon, because I've been sort of slacking on that, as previously discussed. Game marathon, play every new Soup game? Maybe, if I figure out a way to get my Wii U hooked up to the to my computer, I might do that. But, like, I don't want to use my capture card for games until I can get a second monitor, and so that I can actually see shit better, because I used to just what I used to do was, like, I took the capture card, plugged it into the PC, and then since I didn't have a window to play the games on, I just play it through OBS, which was not ideal at all. Play Super Mario 64 and Mario 64 DS at the same time? That'd be funny. That'd be an interesting stream. I don't know how I'd do that, but that'd be a feat. Alright, let's see if I made this work properly or fucked it up. Hell. Action number 1, draw event. Variable unknown object. Of draw event for object text box. Abort. Oh, right. I don't need this. Where's the text box? Are you kidding me? Great, now it's broken. Awesome. Oh, right, I have to I have to put these in the actual draw event. Whoopsie! I forgot that these were supposed to be in the draw event. Let's do that real fast. Yeah, Undertale's a big thing that's on here, but that sounds cringe, but just keep going at it. Thank you, Coop. And that's not cringe. I appreciate you guys giving me some words of encouragement. Fuck. Oh, shit. Wait, draw the text. This was X. Text of page. Yeah, like I was saying, I do appreciate the words of encouragement. I'm just kind of lost at the minute right now, and I'm kind of scrambling to keep up content production, because there's a lot of shit that I really want to do, but I don't really have the means to hire editors or anything right now. So it's just like, and splitting my time between that and like a new job is also super stressful, but it's just like, I don't know. I love doing all this stuff, but there's only so much I can do in a single day, you know what I mean? Okay, so on to questions about the characters. What are Roxanne's and Oliver's home life like? We've already established Roxanne and Oliver are siblings. What are their parents like, if they have any? That I will not be saying, because that is spoilers. That is like heavy spoilers, because there's only so much I can give away here. Hey, we fixed it. Look at that. Problem solved. But yeah, there's only so much that I want to discuss in these streams, because the home life question is very spoilery. I don't even know how much I want to say about it, but yeah, I think I won't say too much about the characters, but yeah, Roxanne and Oliver are siblings. Sort of. I also need to like figure out how I want to introduce the game. I don't want to like say anything, and then a few months later, it gets changed in the script. They're orphans. Yeah, they're orphans. But yeah, because like shit always gets changed in the writing process, and I don't want to like confirm anything, and then it ends up getting changed. People are like, what the fuck? You said this, and that means it has to be. So, not to say that you guys will do that, but it's just like, I don't know. I don't want to spoil anything just yet. They're two stupid kids doing stupid kid things. Yeah, pretty much. That's how you should think about them. Fuck, I'm getting distracted. I had Twitter open in the background for some reason. My bad. Sorry guys. Alright, so we fixed the dialogue thing. I don't know why I was doing that stupid thing. See, my problem is, when I'm developing, I'm stuck in like the Scratch mindset, and I have to like break that, because that is not how the system works at all. Not sure why I had those. So what we're gonna do now is make these individual objects, or no, individual sprites. Create sprite T port T test happy name port test test normal. If you make an Oliver plush, I shall put him in my Kelly Toy Mario. I do want to make plushes at some point. I think that would be so fucking cool to have plushes of my own characters. Oh my god, that'd be so fucking cool. What the fuck, Connor? You said my dad will come back. Yeah. Connor confirmed my father would come back with the milk, and then he didn't. That's funny. Alright, and then we do another sprite. Put test angry. I shouldn't spell it like that. This has to be official. I have to be serious with this. Alright, and then edit image. Whoa, what? Oh, I haven't set an image here. That's normal. Edit image. Great, delete that. I guess I could just, yeah, delete frame. This happy, edit image. Do that. Oh wait, no, this is wrong. This is the different character. Your friend gave you 100 tadpoles? How did that work? Just too angry. There we go. Yeah, okay. So that's all good. Now, now we have to set up. All right, I have to figure out this tutorial because well, first I gotta use the bathroom. So I will be right back. I also made a new be right back screen. That doesn't have the fucking video on it. What? Why is this not? What? No. That's supposed to be transition?
Connor,
Oh,
you
there it
can
is.
steal your
Yeah,
status
okay.
from me.
Oh, shit, that's probably loud. Pause.
no.
Pause.
You can
Stop.
steal your status.
Okay. Yeah, okay, so I have this funny thing, I have the funny videos to play while I'm away, so I'll be right back. Follow this person on Scratch. This is a very good tool. Thank you, Hex, for Nova.
What the hex?
Yeah.
Hex like
We're-
Friday Night Funkin'?
Shut the hell up.
Oh, fuck, my glasses are dirty and I hate wearing glasses. My contacts ripped, so I don't have any right now. So really am a nerd emoji.
Connor's first.
Portal 2.
Here we go. There's yours. There's yours, Connor.
Here's Gerson the Voltborn.
He's got an explosive personality. Magnum, this will be yours.
Yippee.
Okay. There's your prompt. That's incredibly vague.
Shit, I have to remember what Gaster looks like.
You don't
Like,
remember?
Literally one
I
of
know
the...
what he
It's
looks
two
like.
shapes.
I know what he looks like, but I don't remember how his cracks are.
His what?
There you go, it's ass cracks.
Why is it in cursive?
What the fuck?
Because I like the cursive.
Because... Lucy, here's yours.
First figured out how to boost.
Adventure Grounded.
Camera with the speedometer is perfect.
Oh, is that the camera? That's the camera in the
It's the
bushes?
camera inside the ruin exit.
That's hilarious. This is Sonic Adventure Grounded.
No, this is Sonic Unleashed grounded. They figured out how to boost.
No, it's Sonic Underground. Bide your time, lie in wait, Sonic Under. Okay, sure.
Guys, isn't it crazy how Undertale is 25 years old? Wow.
Dude,
Subscribe.
that's older than my mom.
What?
Wait!
You did it in 10 minutes!
Yeah.
I like the Torio Rouse parallel. That's very cool. Everyone's gonna make fan out of this one.
They should get more Undertale fan games should start putting in the boost. By putting in the spin dash.
Holland doesn't exist.
Oh, okay, I'll do that part. All right, I'm back. Hello, everybody. Let me pause this. Okay. Where were we? We were... Yes, we were trying to figure this out. Oh, shit. There we go. Alright, well, let's see what this guy does. I'm following a tutorial off screen. We're going to be drawing in our name box and the width and the height as well. Right. These properties. Text equals nothing. Connor, when you said they're all going to draw fastener of this one, it was in the video when it was SKL turn. What? Sorry, I don't really know what you're saying, man. Alrighty. So we've got the text, speaker, very good. Portrait side. Okay, so this guy's using something called an enumerator, which he set its own custom variables, which I actually do need to use, because I'm going to have two characters on the left and right side of the dialogue box, so it's lucky that we have this. So, out of the two siblings, which one is messier? Roxanne kind of gives me the vibe that her room looks like a tornado ran through it. I don't know, actually. That's an interesting question. That is funny to think about, though. I should probably go through and figure it out. I just have had no time to think about this stuff because I've just been so busy with other shit. But yeah, I think it is funny to imagine that Roxanne's room is the way messier one, and then her little brother's is like spotless. Look, so when you... Okay. Sure. Alright, portrait side. Speaker. So that's text. Okay, so that's the box. And then... text properties. NPC test. And then speaker. Wait, I'll group page with text. Page speaker. Yeah, Oliver likes Dr. Pepper Cherry. No, Oliver drinks Fanta for sure. Fanta Orange. It's absolutely his favorite drink. Now, how do I do this? Oh, right. Okay, portrait side equals, and then enum. So this is a new function. Macros. Expression as a macro. Oh, this is macros. I don't... A constant is a type of variable that is set once at the start of the game and then never changes. In fact, constant values cannot be changed after they have been declared. This makes them ideal for holding values that are used throughout the game to identify special data. Okay, then yeah, we can use this. Enumerator. I don't really know why that's what we're using, but portrait side left, right. Oh no. Wait, did he set this up as a... Okay, well I can figure that out later. That's fine. So is this gonna turn red? Unexpected syntax error. Oh no. Oh boy. I think he might have set up this. Oh wait. Portrait side dot left. Why is this? Oh, there we go. What? What? Got two? Why is this? Expect ID. I don't know what that means. Roxanne eats whole lemons to look cool? Yeah, absolutely. No, absolutely. Roxanne would eat an entire ass lemon. Nothing going on up there. Why is this fucking up? See, this is what I'm talking about. There are all these stupid little problems that have no answer. Like, why is this fucking broken? I don't get it. What? Got to into expected ID. What does that mean? I don't get it. I don't get it. Got 0 what? Roxanne strikes me as the kind of character who tries to look cool for Oliver but ends up looking like a doofus. But Oliver thinks she's the coolest anyway. Yeah. You nailed it. You haven't even seen the characters yet and you nailed it. Left, right. What the fuck? This is pissing me off. Don't tell me I still have the fucking macros set up for Roxanne over here. And it's like... Okay, what if I just... left... right. Oh my god, I already have the macro set up as something else. Fuck, I've been meaning to... I totally have been meaning to fucking change that. Oh wait, I did. I don't know. I don't fucking know why it's fucking up. What now? Alright, that's just gonna be... I don't know why that was fucked up, but... Yeah, these fucking coding are pissing me off. It's true. Okay, so... Yeah. So now I can move on to the other events. We don't need to change anything in the step event. So everything we're doing right now is purely visual. Go immediately to the draw GUI event. Actually going to make some temporary variables. Wait, he's doing this in draw GUI? Okay, that's not what I'm doing. Why can't I just make this its own macro? Whatever. 1, 2. .1. Are you kidding me? Okay. What? No, why? Why? Fucking Christ. Why did that just turn into a variable for no reason? You've got to be kidding me, dude. Changing it to a 1 turns it into a fucking variable? What is going on? This is what I'm talking about. This is why this shit is so frustrating, because there's... pointless issues like this that just come up. Don't have a solution. There. We fixed it. Cool. I should say there's a shop. You steal like Legend of Zelda. Is Roxanne just called a thief? I probably won't have a stealing mechanic, but that's a funny idea. I may write that down. It's an interesting exploration. What is this? Oh shit. Oh, it's just a let's go gambling meme. Okay, so we have this macro set up. It's finally working and not broken for no reason. Oh boy, this is really different from what I'm doing. Oh no. Okay, well this guy's just doing text stuff. I don't need to be doing any of that because I don't really want to change where the text draws from. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. If sprite exists. What? Having a portrait is optional, so we're going to check if we've actually set a portrait or not before we draw it. If we don't have a portrait, sprite set, then skip over all of this and we just draw the text the way we draw it. Okay. When we do have a portrait, we need to shrink the area the text can draw itself in. And well, I don't need to do that. Doesn't really matter which side the portrait is on. Text width is going to shrink by the same amount, so you can do this because like I already have the box set up for the dimensions. Because like the reason I don't need to do that is if we load up a build, the box is already set up so where you could there's like empty space on the left and the right side of the screen, so we don't need to do that. Bro is cooking. I can assure you I am not. This shit is burnt, dog. Yeah, this could be going better, but I'm just trying to figure some shit out right now with dialogue portraits. I don't need to know this. I don't want to change the... Wait, what the fuck? Oh, I should not have skipped ahead. I got lost. Burnt with no seasoning, and you dropped your plate, pretty much. Oh, this is a travesty. This entire game right now is being held together with fucking toothpicks and bubblegum. It's crazy. Player, draw portrait Y. Well, I don't have any of these variables. Okay. How do you change the expression you want, though? That's the part I care about. He hasn't done that part yet. I'm just gonna skip ahead and see where he changes. Oh, okay. Draw portrait backing. I don't care. Animate the portrait when typing. Yeah, I'll do that later. Yeah, okay. Draw sprite. EXT. Yeah, how do you change the expression? Depending on the fucking array. It's raw. Fucking get on with it. Oh god, what? Why was this changed? Meeting. Why do I have a meeting? Alright, whatever. Seems like it's not changed. Alright, whatever. It's fine. They sit around doing adventures? Can't say. That would be spoiling. I can't. You guys are gonna keep asking, but I can't tell you anything. I can't tell you what the story is before you play the game. Oh, here we go. Let's draw the name of who's speaking. It's once again optional, so we're only going to do this if we actually set a speaker name. Okay, I could probably do this, but I'm gonna hold off because I don't need to I don't have that figured out just yet. How do you change the expression of the fucking character? Just tell me that. That's all I care about. Oh my god. Yeah, I get it, whatever. Yeah, uh-huh. Right, sure. Jesus, this guy is taking forever to get to the fucking point. Set a dialogue action so you can define portraits and names. Finally! Let's see our actions where we put our dialogue action. Oh god. He has like actual... Christ. No! Oh god, this is so much more complicated than I thought it would be. Fuck! Okay, well I am definitely not getting this done on stream today. This is gonna have to be an off-stream adventure. Yeah, that is very complicated. Because this guy's going into, like, options, like picking yes or no after a question and shit like that, so... I am just gonna have to save this for later and figure out how to do that later, because this is a lot more complicated than I thought it would be. So for now, that is going to be the end of the stream. Thank you all so much for coming out. I know that devlogs aren't particular, or these dev streams aren't particularly interesting. I might do more like art related shit. What time period is this set in? Like the future. I don't want to say post-apocalyptic, because that's not really an accurate description, because there's still, like, technology and shit. But, it's like, in the distant future, to the point where some like, parts of the world are more advanced than others. It's not too distant of a future, though. But I would say it takes place in the future. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. That's gonna be it. I'm gonna try to have a devlog up. I don't know if I can do them every month anymore, but we'll see what happens. Oh boy, just I appreciate y'all's patience, and yeah, subscribe if you haven't. Give me your money. Take care, everybody.